In this video, you will learn how to do curtain walls. So if we go to 3D views, you will see the curtain walls that I created earlier. So this is what you will learn, and then you just keep adding them. I see over here this little there's a mistake, so okay, again, 1, 2, 5. Okay, sorry about that. A little higher. Okay, I just found the mistake, so I just fixed it. Let's go back to the floor plan, and I built 2 curtain walls over here and here. Let me delete that so we can start from scratch. Okay, I put my DWG file on the first floor so I can see things better here, because like when I do close-up works, if it is too dark, it is hard to see the new things that I'm building. So this time I just moved that to the first floor. So to add curtain walls, go to architecture wall, and when you click this one again, you will see different curtain wall options, and we will use storefront because it has the mullions already, so we will use that one. And before we go ahead and build the curtain walls, let's check the properties here. So it is going from level 1 to 5, and we don't have to go back and change it later, so let's do that. And for edit types, make sure you have other things that I don't think you have to change. Just make sure it is minimum spacing for vertical grid and fixed distance for horizontal grid. And spacing, I made horizontal grid 7 feet and vertical 4 feet. Horizontal grid is more important because we have 14 feet floor to floor height, and if it is not spaced like that, then when we add floor place, it will not be aligned to the mullions, so it is harder. So that is why I kept spacing to 7. So after you made sure of the spacings and its criteria, let's say okay. So we can start from here and here. And when you did that, you see like it jumps to here. It is kind of glitch. So for now we will just leave it there, and later on I used many different versions, Revit versions, and like earlier versions it didn't do that, and all of a sudden it acts up. So we will address that in the elevation view later on, but for now just leave it like that. Again, go to wall to pull out curtain wall so we can restart building curtain walls. Okay, and just follow along and okay, so do that. Sometimes it is like little off from the wall, then you can just move them. Okay, over here. Okay, you can fix it like that. And now keep adding curtain walls until you are done with it. Up to here. I made a mistake over here, but again I will fix that later. Oops. Here. And didn't do here. So do that. Here. Up to here. Here and up to there. Whenever I finish over here, when I complete one set, I do escape and then move on. Escape and then move on. Okay, this one is a generic wall, so I will not touch that one. And this one, so I cannot grab that one. This one here, and another one there. Here. Okay, one more here. Okay, I think this is the last one. So building curtain walls are not difficult. It is easy. Let's go back to the building. Oops, I think I didn't do let me a little more exact. Sorry. Top constraint 5 and lower 1. Okay, so again, I didn't check. I keep doing this. Control. I'll just do one by one. Control key doesn't work very well, so I'll do that. And it kind of gives you a good lesson that you should make sure that it is from level 1 to 5 before you actually add each one. Oops, make sure you select the right one, because curtain wall selection is not as easy as other ones. So when you see these arrows, that means curtain walls are selected. Okay, level 1, 2, 5, and level 1, 2, 5. Okay, I will stop here and I will come back after I finish. That will save time. So I'm done with curtain walls just like that. So like everywhere, let's go back to the floor plan where the curtain walls are supposed to be placed. They are all placed. So it is done, and in the next video you will learn how to add doors to curtain walls. It's a little more complicated, certainly harder than placing them, so I will prepare another video for that.